let's take a look at how to sign up or register for an account on SAM Studio. You will be prompted to sign in if you already have an account, or you can click the Sign Up button at the bottom right-hand corner in order to sign up or register for a SAM Studio account. Once you click on that Sign Up link, you will then be prompted with 3 options of how you would like to sign up. If your school email address is hosted through Google or Microsoft, you can take advantage of the single sign-on option and use single sign-on to sign in to SAM Studio using either Google or Microsoft. This is helpful because you will not have to create a separate account for SAM Studio, making it one less username and password that you need to remember. If you sign up using Google or Microsoft, be sure to click that you have read and agreed to the terms of service in order to create your account. If your school email address is not hosted through Google or Microsoft, you can sign up with your email instead. By clicking on that link, you will be asked to enter in your school email address as well as a password. You will also need to select that you have read and agreed to the terms of service. Then you can sign up. Once you sign up, a confirmation email will be sent to the email address that you registered with. You will need to confirm your email in order to continue with your registration. When you receive the email, you can open it, click on the link, and this will verify your email address, opening up a new SAM Studio tab. Once your email is verified, you will then be prompted through a few more steps to finish setting up your SAM Studio account. The first thing you're going to be asked to enter is your name or nickname. This is the name that will appear to your students when you create a class. So you might want to consider entering in Miss, Mrs., or Mr. You will then click Continue. You will select that you are a teacher. And if your email has not been set up by SAM Labs on the back end, you'll be asked to enter in a subscription code in order to join a subscription. If your email address was provided to SAM Labs prior to you registering, you may not be asked to enter in your subscription code, as your work email may already be associated with your school's subscription. If this is not the case and you are prompted to enter in a subscription code, you should have been emailed by either someone at your district or someone at SAM Labs what your subscription code is. From here, you will enter it in exactly as it appears. You will then click Continue. Once you have entered in your subscription code, your request will have been submitted and you will be approved shortly after. You can then either choose to enter in another code if you would like to join another subscription, or you can choose to sign out. Once you have been approved to join your school or your district's subscription, you will be notified, and then you can begin to sign in and use SAM Studio. Now that we have registered for a SAM Studio account, let's take a look at how we sign in to the account that we just created. You will notice on the SAM Studio homepage that when you sign in, you again have 3 options. You can either choose to use single sign-on, signing in with either Google or Microsoft, or you can choose to use your school email address if you created an account separately instead. If you registered for an account using single sign-on, you will select that you have read and agreed to the terms of service, and then you will select either Google or Microsoft to begin the single sign-on process. Or if you created an account separately within SAM Studio, you can enter in your email address You can either choose to have it remember you, or you can choose to have it not remember your login credentials. You will then press sign in. From there, it will open up your SAM Studio account. Depending upon the permissions within your SAM Studio account, you will either have the option to create a project in SAM Space, SAM Blockly, or both. If you would like to log out of your account, the Log Out button is located at the bottom left-hand corner.